So here my plan is to make a mixed vegetable soup or curry based on these ingredients. Let's see what I ended up with this. So now I have 7 ingredients: mushroom and broccoli, potatoes and beans, and the zucchinis, and then some soybean puffs, and then some onions, garlic, chilies, and some Asian spices here. So let's start cooking. So I'm using typical Indian cooking pot here. So I have here, um, you know, 2 spoons of the avocado oil. Then I will deep fry onions, red onions, and some ginger and garlic, and some cumin seeds. So let's start. It is slightly brown now. I think ready to put the next item. I put some turmeric powder here. This is very good for health. Salt according to taste. I put 3 spoons of salt here. I'll cook another 3 minutes. So I'm adding now mushroom and some veggies here. Now this combination looks already yum. It's cool, great. All right, I will let it go for another 3 minutes. So I put now 2 spoons of curry powder. Now this is ready to serve. For today, I'm making a bit more soup as well, vegetable soup. So I will add some water. But this is ready to serve with rice or any other bread or anything. But it's almost ready. Okay, this is the vegetables, little rice in a bread, and some veggies, veggie leaf. All right, that's all. Okay, enjoy your meal. Looks good.